Good morning, Pop. Wednesday, April 10th, I believe. About 8 o'clock in the morning. A lot better day, it looks like, this morning than yesterday. I'm trying to get some more footage. I haven't even sent you what I had yesterday, but I think today we'll be able to get some better footage. But so today I got a different camera angle. You have to let me know if you think it's better or not. You got a little bit better view of the cockpit here and outside. A little bit of the controls. Again, the best kind of I can do with the small space I got. So real quick before I kind of taxi out and everything, I'm just going to go over some stuff here and there, different stages of the flight and everything. But just real quick, as you can see, we got our instrument panel here. I got my 2 steam gauges right here, backup airspeed indicator and a backup altimeter, just in case the Dynon were to fail. I still have the means to know how fast I'm going through the air and my altitude. And I also have my turn coordinator, or my ball right here, which is the backup to the one on here. Everything I need though is basically on the Dynon. You got my airspeed here, altimeter, tell the altitude, field altitude. It's about 11:10 right now. So our barometer is about 3030. I'm going to call for weather here in a minute, and compass heading. I got some of my critical engines. As you can see, my oil's yellow. That's because when I start up, I got to come up above 120 before we're kind of warmed up, and the normal, just like that, it kind of goes out. And oil pressure, I got good voltage charging the system. And then over here, I got my copy of my sectional with the ADS-B in out. It'll show my location at all times in relation to the terrain, the different airspaces and everything, but then also other aircraft that have the ADS-B, which is the majority of general aviation aircraft. They'll pop up on this screen, lets me know their altitude in relation to mine, just a good collision avoidance feature. And I got some more engine instruments, fuel remaining, 17.8 gallons right now. And again, my fuel gallons per hour. So as we're going along, again, when takeoff, airspeed, altimeter, we're kind of watching the RPM fuel burn right here, and then I'll go over some more up in the air. I got my radio controls over here. I also can control them to the Dynon, but I find it easier just to do this. So I got weather set up. I'm going to flip over and get our quick weather report.
3.2 inches of mercury. Grants Pass Airport, automated weather observation 1503 Zulu. Wind calm, visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 5 Celsius. Dew point 3 Celsius. Altimeter 3032 inches of mercury.
Okay, so everything there. Says 3032. I got 3030 just because I'm kind of setting my field elevation. More trusty of kind of that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just kind of taxi out. The video may stay playing, but I'm going to kind of cut audio. I'll go through my things when I edit all this. Who knows how it'll look. But, alright. Hope this turns out. Okay, so I'm about to make the call. We're about to go out and take off. We're just going to roll out, take off. So, again, as we get going, you'll see my airspeed come alive right here. The altimeter start to climb. This will tell me how fast I'm climbing, my vertical speed indicator. And I'll kind of be talking through it as well. Grants Pass traffic. Red light support 379 Lima, taking 31 left close traffic. Grants Pass. Basically what I'm announcing is I'm going to be taking off on runway 31, and I'm going to be staying in the pattern. I'm going to go ahead and depart off the downwind, so I'll announce once I get in the downwind that I'm departing, and we'll go out and we'll kind of cruise around a little. little visual, we're good. Gonna go ahead and throttle, get the nose up. Okay, engine's good, airspeed's alive, and we're flying. Get some speed, and we'll climb out. So you can see I'm climbing, pretty good rate. Coming up on about 300 feet over the field. Climb out about 54 knots, which is just above 60 mile an hour. It's our best climb rate for efficiency and everything. So we'll get at least 500 feet above the field, and then I'll kind of turn. Well, we're past 5, I'll get a little more. We'll turn our crosswind leg. Alright, Pop, so I climbed up here to 4,000, kind of over the Grants Pass area and staying out kind of the west side, which they call the practice area. Just wanted to kind of show you real quick. So on my Dynon, I got my autopilot screen, which I kind of already said makes it easier to go ahead and do this, but you can see the screen if you zoom in. So when I come in here through the menu button, I just hit autopilot. It's going to lock in whatever I have as far as climb, and all of that. And keep me nice and level, and then it'll give me time to set my heading with what I want and everything. So I'm kind of set right now, so I'm going to exit out of this screen because everything's in the green, which is autopilot on. Then I'll show you. So over here on this knob right here, this is basically when I'm in autopilot. This is how I turn. So if I press this, I can adjust my heading and my altitude, my vertical speed, of course. And all of that just by pressing that, and then I look for what's highlighted. Right now I have heading highlighted, so when I turn this, it's going to move this blue little bug on my compass right here, and as you'll see, I just turn it to the right, and the plane's going to take a nice easy bank over to the right until it catches that heading, and then we're going to level right back out. So again, I can kind of turn a little bit more to the right again. I'm trying to do a big kind of loop is what I'm trying to do. So we get it back over there. And there we are. And you can see also, and again, there'll be little deviations, especially when you're turning, you lose some altitude and all that. So the autopilot adjusts and everything, and it's keeping me right at 4,000. It'll keep me within 50 feet of kind of that. Just by trimming that elevator and everything. Because I have 4,000 feet set for my altimeter. So I can kind of steer, I'm hands off right now. I can pick a course heading on the compass and just kind of out the window, hey, that's where I want to go, and I just set that. Still got a monitor, but it frees me up to go ahead and kind of keep an eye on everything around, both inside and outside, most important aircraft, and be able to see some of the scenery and everything, which we still got a little bit of snow. I'm going to kind of slowly turn around here. Alright, so I'm back, so again, I was just kind of getting set up again with this little bit of fog bank here. I'm just kind of circling around. I have my autopilot still engaged. I'm set at 500 feet descent per minute, and with a target altitude of 2,100, which is my pattern altitude. I need to get down to that before I can join the pattern. So I'm just kind of doing a circle because I'm still at 3,000 right now, and then I'm going to come back over here to the left. We're just trying to, again, kind of lose that altitude a little. Got a few bumps just because of these hills out here. You can see I'm only burning 2.3 gallons per hour right now because I got the throttle pulled because we're, of course, descending. Don't need as much throttle. So, airport's right out front of our nose. I'm staying off of the pattern so I can kind of circle in and join on a 45 on the downwind for 3-1. So, I call it in. Grants Pass traffic, red light for 379 Lima, 3 miles southwest. Inbound to join downwind for 31. I'll go up and join it on a 45. Grants Pass. And then about midfield is when I'm going to go ahead and disengage autopilot, and I do that just by hitting this red button. I don't have to worry about anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off.
Disconnect.
And now I'm all flying in the controls again. So we're just trying to get our speed slow. We'll start a descent. I'm going to go ahead, I'm down to 60 knots, so I'm going to go ahead and put a stage of flaps in. Ideal, we want to...
Altitude.
Yep. It's just kind of telling me that my program altitude, I'm kind of lower than that. So I'm just going past and then... Grants Pass traffic, flight 4379 Lima, base 31, Grants Pass. Keep an eye out, I gotta glance around traffic and then watch my speed. A little bit high, so I'm gonna stay out here a little bit. Turn final here in a minute. Okay, start turning final. Grants Pass traffic, lights for 379 Lima, short final, 31 Grants Pass. Still a little high, but that's okay because I can put in a little slip, which will help me get altitude down. So we're looking okay actually. Alright, there we go, nice little landing. And I come taxi back in here.